Your case is remanded until the 20th day of June 2023.
Abasolwa abane abadinywe ibail ecaleni likaThabo Bester bathi bacabanga ukudlulisela phambili icala. Abantu beAmaskral ehlagwini yePitori la kwehle khona ubulwele becholera babawe umongameli uRamaphosa bona akeze msinyana zokuhlola ubujamo abahlala ngaphasi kwabo. Zihlelwe etafuleni yendaba zesiNdebele kwa SABC ziza kuwe ngephimbo lika Cedric Mwebya ku SABC 1 lotshani endaweni ngendawo.
Tidalana SABC News sidosela umtato nangabe unomhlala wendaba. Indaba ukusiluma indlebe namkha indaba ezinthwenyako emphakathini wankenu. Ngasidosela umtato ku 011 714 6133 namkha usi-emailele ku news@sabc.co.za. SABC News phimbo lakho isijamele ayithatha ihlangothi.
Ibandla lezokutshutshiswa komphakathi lamukele ukunganikelwa ibail kwabasolwa abane abahlotshaniswa nokweqa ejele kwakaThabo Bester. Kanti umsolwa wesihlanu yena ubailiswe nge10 lenkulungwana zamaranda. Umagistrata umuhlolo Khabisi udime uSinohe Matswara uTeboholipho uMoyane Masukela noTieho Makhotsa ibail ekhotho kamagistrata eBloemfontein bobane babuyiselwe emaseleni.
Khotho kamagistrata weBloemfontein bethula isahlulelo ngembawo zebail zabasolwa abahlanu becala lo wagwetshelwa ukubulala nokata uThabo Bester. Abasolwa bavulela amacala okulekelela uBester bona ece ejele leMangaung ngomnyaka opheleleko. Ngibo kubala abasebenzi ekampanini yabogadi iG4S nogade asebenze ekampanini efaka amakhamera okuluso kwenzeke ejele leMangaung. Umagistrata umuhlulu Khabisi uthangeze kulunge bona abasolwa banikelwe ibail ngombana bayingozi emphakathini. Abasolwa kuthiwa ngibo abongqondo ekweqeni kwakaBester.
The offense was committed in cahoots with the people whom a trust was bestowed. That the offense was committed at a place expected to be secured and a safe place. It is hard, if not possible, to find the personal circumstances of the applicants outweighing the interest of justice in this case. I therefore find that the interest of justice do not permit the release of the applicants number 1, number 2, and number 3, and number 4 on bail, and as such, bail is denied.
Magistrata uKhabisi uthi uthemba ukuthi kunecala ekufanele baliphendule abasolwa.
Umnyango wezempilo eGauteng uthi bangaphezulu kwama-40 abantu abathe nabahlolwako kwatholakala bona bangenwe yicholera eAmaskral ehlagwini yePitori ngeveke epheleleko. Lokho kunjengomana isibalo sabantu abathethwe bulwelobu sesikhuphukele ema-23. Izakhamuzi zeAmaskral zibawe umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa bona akenze isikhathi msinyazana zokuhlola ubujamo bezinto kuleya ndawo.
Abantu balapha bathi sebaphila ngevalo ngombana abathembisisi kwazona indlela zokuyivikela. Ngikho bathi ngathana umengameli uyeza msinyana zokuqala ubujamo abaphila ngaphasi kwabo. Umkhulumeli womnyango wezempilo uMutalatale Mudiba uthi isibalo sengulo ezihlolelwe icholera esibhedlela seJubilee ukusukela ngoMvulo sifike ema-229 lapho kuba lahlangana ingulo ezima-23 ezigijinyiselwe kezinye imbedlela zeTshwane. Ngomgqibelo kube nengulo ezima-77 ezingeniswe esibhedlela ngenxa yokuthulula. Bomnyango wezempilo bachiyule nokuthi ingulo ezima-29 zelatshwe zabe zaphola zakhutshwa esibhedlela.
Nakusenjalo umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthumela ungqongqoshe wezamanzi nokuthuthwa kwensila uSenzo Mchunu bona eze nendlela yokuqinisekisa bona kuba nelawulo elifaneleko kezamanzi nokuthuthwa kwensila kubomasipalata. lokhu njengombana umengameli alila ngokwehla kwezinga lokuphakelwa kwamanzi nokuthuthwa kwensila kubomasipalata ukulandela ukwehla kokugula kokuthulula ikholera ezakhamuzini ze-Hammanskraal ePitori eseyithethe abantu abama-23 endaweni leyabe kube nje. Umengameli uthi kufuze kube nabantu abathwesa ukuziphendulela malungana nokubhubha kwabantu e-Hammanskraal. Walila nangomkhandlu kamasipalata ngokusebenzisa kancane imali ebeyihlelelwe imthangalasisekelo ekuyimali ekhutshwe yiCocta. Uthi umasipalata weTshwane ubhalelwe kulandela imiyalo ekhutshwe emnyango wezamanzi nokuthuthwa kwensila naphezu kweyiyeleliso zokuthi amanzi we-Hammanskraal akakalungi. Ngo-2019 Komishini yamalungelo obuntu yeSouth Africa yafumana bona amanzi endaweni le akakakulungela ukudliwa ababantu. Sekuphela iminyaka emine kodwa umphakathi solo usaqalene nomraro ofanako. Umnyango wezempilo elizweni uthi usebenza ubusuku nemini ufuna ukufumana itebhe yokugulokhu.
Isekela likamongameli uPaul Mashatile uthi iSouth Africa angeke itheliswe bona iqede inteji eziphehla igezi ezisebenza ngamalahle. uMashatile usole amazwe afuna ukugandelela iSouth Africa bona yenze ukufunwa ngiwo ekuphehleni amandla wegezi. uMashatile ubekhuluma nabosomabhizinisi beTlhagweni Tjingalanga.
It is important that South Africa does this in its own time frame. We know that there are those who want to do us to do things at their own pace, but we want to do things in our own pace. We do have a lot of coal in South Africa and a coal-fired power station. We need to use those that are still workable to be able to provide the necessary electricity that we need.
Nasibuya entolo.
Kunamandebele aseZimbabwe, kunamandebele aseBotswana. eBotswana yokuthola kunamahlapho, abomkhulu, abomapena. Amandebele ngekhethu.
Ivalwe ngehahla inyanga yokuvuselela uAfrika ngomnyanya wamandebele kaMusa obanjelwe eMelrose Ark kwamntwana enkosi uMabhena. Sisaragana Iindaba lapha nawusanda ukufika nawe siyakwamukela. Uhulumende wesifunda seLimpopo umemezele amahlelo okwakhiwa kwesibhedlela esikhulu eLimpopo esiyokubiza ingidigidi zamaranda. Isibhedlela lesi kulindeleke ukuthi sakhiwe besiqedwe ngeminyaka emine. Undunankulu weLimpopo uStanley Mathabatha akhambisana nosomkhandlu wezempilo eLimpopo uPhophi Ramathuba banikele ngokomthetho ikhampani yokwakha isibhedlela lesi. Indawo eseduze nePeter Mokaba Sports Complex. Imphathimandla zithi isibhedlela lesi siyokuba sibhedlela sokuthoma esihlukileko eLimpopo.
Isibhedlela esitsha esizokwakhiweso siyokuthatha amahekera ama-25 wendawo kamasipalata. Begodu umsebenzi wakhona nawo upheleleko uyokuthatha imali edlula ku4 billion rands eyokuphuma esikhwameni somnyango wezempilo.
The fact that the site has now been technically handed over to the contractor, it says there is now at least light at the end of the tunnel. And as the provincial government, we are going to monitor each and every little step that takes place about this project.
Isibhedlela esikhulu seLimpopo silindeleke ukuthi siphungulele imbhedlela ezikhona esifundeni lesi umthwalo omkhulu eziuthweleko.
When it's finally completed, 688 beds, although the first phase will be looking at 488 beds. And these are quaternary services beds. It's not your primary health care. We're not looking at treating your flu and your headache. You should have gone through the system up to hospitals.
Ikampani ezijameleko ienza construction ngiyenikelwe ukuthi yenze umsebenzi loyo ukusuka ekuthomeni bekube kusekupheleni.
It's the largest hospital we would have built, and we're really excited and thankful, and we promise the people of Limpopo and the provincial government that we will do our best in terms of delivering this in the 60 months that we have.
Isibhedlela esikhulu seLimpopo esizako kulindeleke ukuthi nasiphelako sibuye sisetshenziswe njengeziko lehubhululo elizokusetshenziswa zizazi ezisemkhakheni wezokwelapha. Kanti kulindeleke ukuthi sivuselele umnotho njengombana kulindeleke ukuthi sivula amathuba wemisebenzi abalela ku-1000 nje.
Siyakhuphuka isibalo sabantu abahlala endleleni eMbombela eMpumalanga njengoba na ubusika bungena nje kukhunjulwe labo abanganazo indawo zokufihla ihloko kanti isibalo sabantu abangasebenziko esiphezulu kunye nokusetshenziswa kwendakamizwa ngezinye zenzathu ezithuwelelisa umraro lo.
Polile eMbombela namhlanje kuseni amazinga okuchisa ayehla kanti lokho hlathulula ilotho kwaphela kuThabo osekaneminyaka 10 ahlala endleleni. Ipilo yokuhlala endleleni ibudisi laba bantu bahlangabezana nomhlobohlobo ubujamo bezulu kunye nendawo ezingakaphephi.
Labanye bayafa khona la. Labanye bayafa umuntu umthola afile ungathi sikwendakaleni.
Some died and I think it's because of the cold here because it can get very cold and sometimes at night people come here and beat us for no reason.
Lawo bangana ndawo yokufihla ihloko banenzathu ezihlukile zokuthi kungani bahlala endleleni.
Living on the streets is difficult, it's painful, especially when the weather is like this, it's very cold. Some of us, we don't usually get food, only Auntie Brenda used to give us some food and it's very difficult.
Ngancane umraro lo uthwelisa sibalo siphezulu sokuhloga kwemisebenzi.
To survive, especially like me, I beg by the robot, I stand by the robot and ask some coins or job. And sometimes we get like piece jobs and then we do there and there. That's how we survive.
Siyanda isibalo sabantu abahlala endleleni edrobheni leBombela. Kodwa nakuyalo ukufumana isisombululo. uDJ Mare ngomunye wabalekelela ngokubapha ukuya ngethunjini.
There's many that are sleeping on the streets, especially Anderson Street and those areas, and some of them are involved in drugs, so it's very difficult for them. They want to work, but there's no permanent employment for them.
Yewuthi na uthola ukufutuma ekhaya lakho ngalesi sikhathi somnyaka, ukhumbule laba bantu abaqinileko abangakhoni ukuzikhethela.
Isiqhema sabantu abathwenyekileko esithi batsho sibanikazi benarha yematsamo enkomazi eMpumalanga sibuthene sayokuchagala ema-ofisini womnyango wezokulima nokwabiwa kwenarha ePitori bayokulilela ungqongqotshe womnyango lo ukuthi aqalelele isililo sabo bathi abakathabi ngendlela indawo yabo kunye nesabelo sabo semali ngange-33 million rand yesikhwama eyanikelwa ihlangano imatsamo Communal Property Association ngemva kobana urhulumende athenga inarha le ngehlelo buyiselwa kwendawo zabantu eminyakeni 12 edlulileko.
Amalunga wehlangano imatsamo CPA bakhombana ngemino bodwa. Kubangwa inarha enamasimu womoba, amabhanana kunye nelichi enkomazi. Bangongoyila ngokuphathwa budlapha kwemali kunye nokukhohlakali obenzeka hlangana. Bathi isikhathi samanye amalunga wokubakile ehlangano yabo sesiphelile. Ngombana solo balapha kwango 2007. Kanti ngokomthetho sisekelo kufanele bahlale iminyaka emithathu kwaphela. Bathi abanikazi bamambala bomhlaba lo abazuzilitho.
I-executive yethu yakhethwa yabekwa esihlalweni from 2007 kuze tofika lo mnyaka lesikuwonyalo solo basesihlalweni. So akusijabulisi ngoba kuqala kune corruption learning kusentshentiswa imali budlapha ma beneficiaries ashona ahlupheka even nanyalo bantu bahlupheka aba benefit lutho kule CPA ku benefita ebantu bangaphandle nebangani bale executive.
Bathi kade bagidla eminyangweni wezokulima eMpumalanga kodwa nababhalelwa ukuthola isisombululo. Usihlalo we-CPA uthi bonke laba abangongoyela ngendaba le kufanele beze kuye. Kodwa uthi kunabantu abazibiza ngabanikazi bamambala benarha le. Kodwa abafuna ukuthi babahlahlube nakufanele baveze imininingwana yabo eqinisekisa ubunikazi.
Siye samcela umnumzane Khoza nalabanye lahamba nabo ukuthi ababuye sikhulumisane nabo ngoba ngaphambi kokuba ukhulume indaba temasamo CPA kufanele ukuthi uqale ube lilunga. Umnumzane Khoza akasilo lilunga lethu.
Umnyango wezokulima eMpumalanga uyayiphika ukuthi awuyithatheli phezulu indaba le.
I-department yangenelela kungumsebenzi we-department kungenelela ilekelele emalunga e-CPA ukuthi likhetho lwendeke kepha kufinyelela nyalo besingaphumelelanga ukukwenda lokho imizamo yethu ayikaphumeleli.
I-CPA ithi kulungele ukukhulumisana nanyana ngubani malungana nenarha yematsamo.
Inhlangano zomphakathi ezahlukahlukeneko kunye nenhlangano ezingalawulwa mbuso zihlela umtjhagalo omkhulu mayelana namaphandla angena ngokungemthetho ekhethu lapha. Umtjhagalo lo uyokudoswa phambili zinhlangano ezifana nePut South Africa First kunye neDudula. Inhlangano lezi zithi zifuna uhulumende azume wonke amaphandla angena ngokungemthetho eSouth Africa lapha begodu aqinise nemizamo yokuvikela imikhawulo enendunja zokufahla.
Inhlangano ezi zithi azilwi namaphandle angene ngokungemthetho elizweni lekhethweli kodwana ziqothele uhulumende begodu zisola umbuso ngokubhalelwa ukwenza nokuqinisa imithetho esele ikhona mayelana namaphandle angena ngokungemthetho ekhethwapha.
We are all tired, and this is just the beginning. We are not here to request, as I said before, or to plead or to bargain with the government. We are here to demand them to enforce the current laws.
It's clear that there are problems in the country, but we cannot manage our problems and manage other imported problems as well. And that's what illegal immigration does. It increases the burden on trying to fix the issues that we have in the country.
Inhlangano ezi ziziphikile insolo zokuthi umtjhagalo wazo ungaba nokuhlwena ngokobutjhaba.
There is nothing xenophobic about asking our government to prioritize and put us first in our country. We have no other place we can call home except SA.
Gandhi bakholwa ukuthi umtjhagalo wabo ungasiza endabeni yokulwisana nobulelesi obuphezulu ekhethwapha ekubala hlangana ukwetjiwa kwamakheyibula abangela umraro wokuqima kogesi eSouth Africa pha.
Our infrastructure will be vandalized because of the power that is going on and off. The government must just be proactive. We are pleading to the government to also stop the scrapyard where the foreigners are sourcing or are making money.
Umtjhagalo ulindeleke ukuthi uthome ngelesine ekuseni nge-iri le-10 usuke edepo yakade yembhesi eseMarabastad ePitori uchinge Union Buildings.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuzile ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngokuhlelwa komtjhagalo wenhlangano zomphakathi nalezi ezingalawulwa mbuso ezibanga indaba yamaphandle angena ngokungemthetho lapha eSouth Africa. Nakumbono wakho mbukeli uyalandela.
Sizokutshagala besithunyini yawo abantu abangani bafaka ngibandla indaba le ayilungele phezulu.
Ezinye zakazo lezi inhlangano zomphakathi ezimele eziyayizimelela abantu bokuhamba kuthiwa hayize xenophobia njani kuyamangaza mase kuyibona bathi bayabhikisha babhikishela abantu bokufika kuleli.
Abosipari nabo songwani nabo mkharibo abazenge ngendlela engasemthethweni la eMzansi ake bagoduke bathu bekosi kanisinike nispace la ekhaya.
Ike bachakale sibone hey kunini kuchakalela indaba yamaphandle la South Africa baningi bagcwele.
Kusenbole esihle kakhulu leso ngoba kutawuvikela kakhulu ubugebengu ngoba batawusaba nabo uganga ngoba bayadi ukuthi bangene ngokwemthetho.
Asebaningi kakhulu nabalwa bokufika futhi basatheleka ngobuningi. Uma ingakhalinywa nje le ndaba ayisogcina impela singena indawo beyithathe yonke.
Abe sebekhona lapha phakathi mabayekwe kodwa baboniswe indlela emabahlale ngayo kakuhle.
Umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthwesa umlando wokuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Ivalwe ngehahla inyanga yeAfrika esitjhabeni samaNdebele ngomnyanya obanjelwe eMelrose Ark eJohannesburg emzini womntwana wenkosi uFrans Mabena. Ngalomnyanya bekugidingwa bekutshengiswa nangokhunye kokudla kwaMandebele.
Bekuvunywa kwabelana ngesitiki sokugida kiboma ebayokuhlopha umnyanya ukugidinga inyanga yeAfrika eJohannesburg. Ngalomnyanya obanjwe ngaphasi kwesiqubulo samaNdebele kaMusi kubingwe ukuhlanganisa isitshaba samaNdebele sonke ngaphandle kokuqala bona ngavela kisiphi isigodi nokuthi adabuka kuphi. Ikosazana uAgnes Nomngoma Mabhena ukugandela lifuneko yokuthi amaNdebele kufuza ahlangane waveza nokuthi amanye amaNdebele asenarheni zangaphandle.
Mhlambe silahlekelene njengosilahlekelene so njengona amaNdebele kaMusi akhona ngedrobheni apha aseJoburg bathi kunamaNdebele aseZimbabwe. Iziphi ezabakhona zenza ukuthi amaNdebele ahatheke iphasi lonke. KunamaNdebele aseZimbabwe, kunamaNdebele aseBotswana, ukuthi wona uyothola kunamahlaku abomkuni abomapena mandebele ngebekhethu.
Abakhwezeli bomnyanya bathi ukusukela nje umnyanya lo uzokubanjwa qobe eminyaka kanti banesifiso sokuthi nyaka uvela hlangana le-FNB Stadium kuzale phama uNdebele. Ngingufilmon Skosana endabeni ze-SABC e-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
Nasiphosa ilihlo kezemali iranda lehlile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Ziphelela lapha namhlanje nisale musa.